Good day, grade 9 learners! Welcome to our virtual class for TLE 9 Cookery. Today, we will be discussing about Q1 Module 2, Lesson number 4. This is all about clean and maintain kitchen tools, equipment, and premises. But before we proceed to the lesson, let's have a quick recap about our previous lesson. Let's answer this activity. Write the missing letters in the boxes to complete the words that are related to cleaning agents used to clean and sanitize kitchen premises. Can you guess the number 1? This is the simplest cleaner of all. If your answer is water, then you are correct. Let's try the number 2. These are actually cleaning agents or solvent used to wash cutleries, surfaces, and equipment. If your answer is detergents, then you are correct. Let's try number 3. Can you guess number 3? It is an acetic acid having a distinct sour taste and pungent smell. This is also used to clean different utensils or kitchenwares. If your answer is vinegar, then you're correct. Now let's try number 4. This cleaning material is used for cleaning enamel and ceramic surfaces. Can you guess what it is? If your answer is abrasives, then you're correct. Let's try the last one. This is also a cleaning agent used to clean different kitchen tools and equipment. To maximize its function, we need to mix it with other cleaning agents. If your answer is baking soda, then you are correct. Okay, now if you got all the answers correctly, then you're very good. We can now proceed to using cleaning agents in sanitizing. That is lesson number 4. Okay, to start with, let us differentiate once again cleaning and sanitizing. So, diniscuss na rin natin to on the previous lesson, but much better kung i-review natin siya ngayon. So, cleaning is the removal of dirt by physical or chemical means, while sanitation is the process of reducing or getting rid of microbes on surfaces to make them hygienic. So sabi nga natin before, diba, when we say cleaning, tinatanggal lang natin yung mga kalat or dumi or mga bagay na hindi nararapat doon sa isang lugar o sa isang surface. While sanitation, it kills the germs and microorganisms that soap and water cannot. And now let us define cleaning agents. So what are cleaning agents? These are substances used to remove dirt, including dust, stains, bad smells, and clutter on surfaces. So it means ito yung mga materials or chemicals na ginagamit natin panlinis. Today, we will be discussing the 4 main types of cleaning agent: the detergent, solvents, acid, and abrasive. The first one is detergent. So it can be in powder or liquid ha, katulad din ito ng mga ginagamit ng ating mga magulang kapag sila ay naglalaba. So detergents, these are cleaning agents, solvents, or any substance used to wash tablewares, surfaces, and equipment. Kadalasan, ito yung ginagamit na panglinis ng mga countertops or tables or malalaking kitchen equipment. Madalang na gamitin ito for cutleries or kutsara or tinidor kasi medyo matapang na ang amoy nito. Examples are soap, soap powders, cleaners, acids, volatile solvents, and abrasives. Next is solvent cleaners. These are commonly referred to as degreasers, used on surfaces where grease has burned on. Ovens and grills are examples of areas that need frequent degreasing. These products are alkaline-based and are formulated to dissolve grease. So kadalasan yung mga naiipong mantika o kaya naman ay mga natutuyong dumi na or uling doon sa ating mga grills or stoves na hindi na kayang tanggalin pa ng tubig at sabon, pwedeng gamitan ng solvent cleaners. Next is acid cleaners. These are used periodically in removing mineral deposits and other soils that detergents cannot eliminate, such as scale in washing machines and steam tables, lime buildup on dishwashing machines, and rust on sleeves. Examples: phosphoric acid, nitric acid, and others. Mas matapang ang chemical na ginagamit sa acid cleaners. Mas matapang na chemical ang acid cleaners, kaya naman ginagamit lang ito doon sa mga kinakalawang or talagang mga maduduming parte ng ating kitchen equipments or utensils na hindi na kayang tanggalin pa ng sabon at tubig or ng solvent. Last one is abrasives. So, these are generally used to remove heavy accumulations of soil that are difficult to remove with detergents, solvents, and acids. This product must be carefully used to avoid damage to the surface being cleaned. So basically, ito na yung mga materials na ginagamit natin pantulong sa mga chemicals para mas mapabilis yung pagtatanggal natin ng dumi. Kaya lang, kailangan natin ng doble ingat kapag gumagamit ng abrasives kasi pwede itong mag-cause ng scratches or damage dun sa mga surface na nililinis natin. So now we're done discussing about the 4 different types of cleaning agent. Again, these are detergents, solvents, acid, and abrasive. And now let us proceed to sanitizing. It is defined as cleaning something to make it free of bacteria or disease-causing elements. So all items that come into contact with food must be effectively cleaned and sanitized. Remember that, class? We have 4 different steps in sanitizing. So we have to follow these 4 steps, ha? The first one is, or the step 1 is preparation. In preparation, you remove loose dirt and food particles, rinse with warm and potable water. Next is cleaning. It is the cleaning process na. Wash with hot water, preferably 60 degrees Celsius, and detergent. Then rinse with clean potable water. The next step is the sanitizing, or this is the bacteria killing stage. So what are we going to do? Treat with very hot or clean or potable water, preferably 75 degrees Celsius for at least 2 minutes. And then apply sanitizer as directed on the label. And the last step is air drying. Syempre, after nating linisin, patutuyuin na. We are referring, class, ha, dun sa mga sinasanitize nating equipment or areas in the kitchen. So going back, step 4, air drying. So leave benches, counters, and equipment to air dry. The most hygienic way to dry equipment is in a draining rack. For today, we will be discussing also the 2 methods of sanitizing. The first one is the thermal sanitizing and the other one is chemical sanitizing. Ano kayang difference nilang dalawa? Let's discuss thermal sanitizing first. It involves the use of hot water or steam. The 3 methods of using heat to sanitize surfaces are through steam, pwedeng hot water, or hot air. The next one is chemical sanitizing. So, meron tayong mga equipment or surfaces sa kitchen na hindi kakayanin ng thermal sanitizing lang para masabi nating malinis or na-sanitize na or germ-free. So, gagamitin natin sila ng method na chemical sanitizing. These are compounds or substances that have been purified or prepared especially artificially. So, approved chemical sanitizers are chlorine, iodine, and quaternary ammonium. There are also 3 factors that influence the effectiveness of chemicals. The first one is the concentration. The presence of too little sanitizer will result in an inadequate reduction of harmful microorganisms. So, too much can be toxic naman. So, ibig sabihin kapag konti, pwedeng maging ineffective siya or hindi enough para makapag-kill ng germs. Kapag naman sobra-sobra, that is too toxic. The next factor naman is temperature. So dito, generally, chemical sanitizers work best in water that is between 55 degree Fahrenheit or that is equivalent to 13 degrees Celsius and 120 degree Fahrenheit which is equivalent to 49 degrees Celsius. The last factor that influences the effectiveness of chemical in sanitizing is the contact time. So class, in order for the sanitizers to kill harmful microorganisms, the cleaned item must be in contact with the sanitizer, either heat or approved chemical for the recommended length of time. So basically, ang dami talagang factors na pwedeng maka-affect sa effectiveness ng isang thermal or cleaning or chemical sanitizers. So, medyo delikado rin kasi ang paggamit ito since chemicals nga ito. Kaya kailangan pa rin nating aralin itong susunod. How to use strong cleaning chemicals safely. So, remember class, diba? Safety first tayo palagi. The first one, buy the right chemical for the job. Kung gusto natin na mas maging effective yung paglilinis natin at hindi mag-aaksaya ng oras, gumamit ng tamang chemical doon sa equipment or surface na lilinisan. Next is, read the label carefully and follow instructions closely. Bago tayo gumamit ng isang chemical agent, make sure na binasa nating mabuti ang label kung paano ito gagamitin. Next is be aware of the first aid advice. So, basically, sa mga binibili nating chemicals, nandun din sa instructions or sa label nila nakalagay kung ano yung magiging first aid just in case ma-misuse natin sila. So, kailangan lang alam natin kung anong gagawin kapag ma-misuse natin ang isang chemical. Next is use only as directed. Kung ano yung instruction na nasa label, yun lang ang susundin. Yun lang ang gagawin. Next one is handle carefully. Ibig sabihin nito class is lahat ng pag-iingat na pwede nating i-apply ay gagawin natin kapag nag-handle tayo ng mga chemicals or cleaning agents. Next is keep away from children. Siyempre, huwag nating hayaan na ito ay mapaglaruan o maabot ng mga bata. Next is store in the original container and in a secure place. Hanapin natin ng lugar kung saan pwedeng maitago na hindi mapaglalaruan o maaabot ng mga bata at yung lugar na safe kahit na magkaroon ng leakage doon sa chemical. Make sure din na maitatago natin ito sa lugar na madali nating makikita just in case na ito ay kailanganin. Next, open windows to ventilate where you are working. Kapag kayo ay maglilinis or gagamit ng mga chemical or cleaning agents, make sure na open window, bukas ang bintana, bukas ang pinto, para na rin hindi makulob yung amoy. Kapag kayo ay naglilinis, alam naman natin na hindi maganda ang amoy ng mga chemicals. Para din ito ay malayang makasingaw sa loob ng bahay or sa labas ng bahay. Last one is wear gloves and eye protection if advised. Wear PPE kung kinakailangan. Okay, that ends our topic for lesson number 4. It's time to test what you have learned. Kung kayo po ay nakinig ng mabuti, masasagutan nyo itong ating activity. Directions. Match column A with column B and write your answers in your paper. I'll give you time to answer this activity. And now, here are the answers. Next, let's answer the last assessment. What cleaning agents are used periodically in removing mineral deposits and other soils that detergents cannot eliminate? Is it A. Solvent, B. Abrasives, C. Detergents, or D. Acid cleaners? The answer is letter D, acid cleaners. Let's proceed to number 2. Which is an example of detergent? A. Nitric acid, B. Turpentine, C. Soap powders, or D. Ammonium compound. If your answer is letter C, soap powders, then you are correct. Next, number 3. Which one removes heavy accumulations of soil that are difficult to remove by other cleaning agents? A. Solvent, B. Abrasives, C. Detergents, or D. Acid cleaners. If your answer is letter B, abrasives, then you are correct. Let's proceed to number 4. How can you protect yourself when dealing with strong cleaning chemical agents? A. Wear sunglasses. B. Wear jacket with hood. C. Wear gloves and eye protection. Or D. Wear complete personal protective equipment. The answer is letter C, wear gloves and eye protection. Let's proceed to the last one. Why do we need to use cleaning agents in sanitizing kitchen premises? A. To achieve perfect result of cleaning. B. To make the kitchen look neat and clean. C. To make the kitchen presentable to guests. Or D. To make it free of bacteria or disease-causing elements. If your answer is letter D, to make it free from bacteria or disease-causing elements, then you are correct. Now we're done with the assessment. It's time to say goodbye again, my virtual class. Goodbye and thank you for listening.